Alright, fine. What's up?
Okay. I just need to make sure that you're doing stuff and you're not just completely, like it's not a wasted day where you're just on your laptop all day.
I suppose you'll be able to guess what we're doing today. So, anyways, let's get started. With the recent crisis with the whole, TF2 and cheats, etc., and with my experience, I thought it might just be fun to visit, take a trip back to fucking English. So, I thought, why not inject some cheats in Team Fortress 2 today? Yeah, let's do that. Literally nothing else for me to do. I'm so bored at this point. So, first, the mailbox. I got the free version, and I tried that out. First of all, the cheat sucks dick. It aim locks you constantly. And second of all, it only works on community servers. Because Freela Mailbox, because of the USB that on my desk here, it forces you to run in insecure mode. So let's see. I added to this account, but since I don't have a PayPal, might not be able to. Yeah. So for now, because I'm not 18 yet, and you get the point. So we're looking at alternatives for the mailbox. The first thing I was thinking was Fedora Whale Nullcore. Right. I haven't visited the Nullcore page yet. Optimal pricing, sales and discounts. So I'm guessing it is temporary. Gold is coming soon. Cheats for Valve's games of Team Fortress 2. Purchase. I believe you can get Nullcore for free, but until that happens, it's taking a long ass time to load. There we go. Purchase features. Test 1, test. What? It's just the standard features. I get it. Purchase. And then of course there's the free trial. And you gotta log into a website. Already did that for unknown cheats. Not doing it with Elcor. At least not right now. So that's out the bag. Now, no money. I just remembered now. It's 32-bit. Oh, it's 32-bit only. God fucking damn it. Fuck me. So the mailbox is a no. The mailbox because I gotta pay. No call because I gotta pay. And sign in. No money because it's 32-bit. Conclusion, I guess only Fedoraware will have to do. Let me just turn off my Defender. Now remember, if you don't feel like doing this, then you don't have to. There are other, safer, alternative methods of cheats that you can waste your time with. So let me just keep it anyways. Now for those of you who don't know how to work this, there's so many windows open, holy shit, how many do I have? Okay, there we go. Close down a bunch of these windows, and then I'll drag it onto my, just like that, as you can see here. Because all I need to do now is just get the fucking OBS working. Window capture. Yeah, I get it. I'll fucking figure this out later. I'm not the best with fucking this. There we go. With OBS just yet. Oh well. Then it says malicious file. This application may cause damage to your device. Sensitive personal data may also be at risk. And then ignore Windows malware warning and run anyways. Yes, allowed to make changes to device. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, that's fine, man. You don't have to. Now, I'll show on screen someone else's tutorial. If you're using FedoraWare and you go this method, you're gonna go make sure VAC bypass is enabled and then press load. If you press load and exit, then it'll just close it down afterwards. Because of what? Loading. Please wait until the game is ready. Okay, so that didn't go according to plan. So, FedoraWare is also a no. So... Actually, wait, let me just... Sheets. Okay, so, there's Sion, which is the only one I can think of that's left, really. We tried the Mailbox, Null Core, No Money, FedoraWare, and, fucking... Wait, so it was the Mailbox, Null Core, No Money, and FedoraWare, and now Sion. Wait. Oh no, wait, I already signed into this. I already got the Why? What fucking deleted it? So if I go into my folder and the specific folder I created for it, it's... Oh, okay, I thought I had to re-download it again. It's removed from the, it's removed from the downloads of here, but, let me just... Wait, let me just refresh this real quick. Hang on. Let me just... one charger for this laptop, and then I pick up the other one. Anything sound wrong with this one? That's what I thought. Yeah, when it was in the, see, I had that plugged into there, and it was making, like, a sizzling sound. Like a sparking sound, like... In case you can't tell the, immediate difference, this is the, this is this one. Ignore the retarded mouse pad. Oh no, sorry. This is the, like, I can't really get them mixed up, can I? So this one's fine. This one I plug in, but this one Yeah, that's loose. That could cause a fire. And with the rest it goes with the Hills and cigarette packet. I don't know. Or was it this one? No, it was not that one. Okay. That's just a lot of fucking spam shit. So I plugged this one in. Kind of having to do this with one hand right now, but so in case you I don't know. It's very dark in my room right now. That should just about do it. Wanted to make it very clear. Yeah, I will be returning to mass hosting once the ban wave ends on, shit. Hang on. What was it? Yeah. Nightwatch said it was, June 27th of, 2025. So June 27th is currently, May 30th. So, yeah, in about a month you'll be seeing a lot more Jorge bots in Junction, specifically. Because that's what I'm doing. So, if you all don't want that happening, you best get Valve to sign some more petitions. As Esty said, the power of, yeah, the power of... Hang on. Oh, it's in caps. Didn't even mean for it to be in caps. Just kidding. Because if you watch this video... Shit. Well, that's that. No, dude. No. No. Okay, OBS is being very, very fucky. So I don't know what to do about that. Oh well, I guess you'll just have to be staring at a black screen. Because what I gotta do now is I gotta open TF2 on the manual thing. Cause... Oh god, what the fuck? So, if you're wondering what the hell this is, well, basically, I need to switch from Microsoft Edge to File Explorer so I can successfully inject. So that's just what I'm going to do right now. I'll try to make these as visible as possible. So, as you can see here, if you don't know how this works, I will run a step-by-step guide. So after you download these two, I'm going to run on the little old trusty terminal, which isn't appearing on OBS. So after you do that, here's the terminal. open it up. Oh god, it's buggy. But you're gonna want to type in the name, which here is oh god, it's so dark in this room. I need my torch. Yes. SEO underscore open sharp brackets, whatever that is, unknown sheets dot me close sharp bracket underscore, and then at the end dot DLL. Enter. Delay of injection in seconds 0, making it instant. And then the name of the process, example Half-Life 2.exe. Now here is where I'm facing the issue here, because there's many different names that this could run by. It could be Half-Life 2.exe just for TF2 for some reason. It could be TF2.exe. It could just be TF underscore Win64. It could be the entire name of the app, which is Team Fortress 2 Direct 3D 9 64-bit. I've tried all of those, and nothing. I type in, like, for example, TF, like, TF underscore Win64 underscore Win64 .exe, and then enter, and then it fails to load the library, and I need to create a remote thread, and then it crashes. But if I type in anything else, it just loads indefinitely. So I've tried like 5 different cheat types, and nothing seems to be working for me. So, if you're asking or complaining in the comments, hey, why are we only getting free Mailbox? This is why. It's because this is a really damn old computer, as you can clearly see, and it also showcases why I'm not all that great at TF2, excluding a few rare high moments. So I failed to really fully understand what the purpose of this was. Let me just... But all I really need is assistance with Sion, because I'm not that experienced with Sion. Also, this is more of just filler content, you know? Does Hotter style. I have something very exciting coming up soon, actually. I'm collaborating with a Rust/Escape from Tarkov cheat dev, showing him the ropes of Mailbox. For any of you non-legits out there, get excited. It's going to be very exciting. Maybe I should stop saying the word exciting, or excited, or excite. I'm starting to sound like a goddamn Blizzard employee.